Homeowners in Melville are always looking for practical ways to lower their energy bills without sacrificing comfort. One of the most effective strategies is investing in window replacement. Modern windows are designed with advanced technology that not only improves the look of your home but also ensures that energy efficiency remains consistent in every season. Whether it's the bitter cold of winter or the heat of summer, the right windows can make a noticeable difference. Why energy efficiency matters in Melville. Melville experiences a mix of cold winters and warm summers. This climate puts extra pressure on your home's heating and cooling systems. Older windows, especially those with single panes or deteriorating seals, often allow air to leak in and out. This forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a steady indoor temperature, leading to higher utility bills. Window replacement addresses these issues by providing a better barrier between your home and the outdoors. Benefits during winter. In the colder months, heating costs in Melville can skyrocket. Drafty windows let precious warmth escape, while cold air seeps in, creating chilly spots throughout your home. Modern replacement windows use insulated glass and advanced sealing systems to trap heat inside. Some even feature gas fills like argon or krypton between the panes, which dramatically reduces heat transfer. This means your home stays warmer with less reliance on your furnace, lowering monthly expenses. Benefits during summer. When summer arrives, energy-efficient windows play an equally important role. Instead of struggling to keep cool air from leaking out, these windows reflect heat and reduce solar gain. Low emissivity coatings on the glass help block harmful UV rays and minimize the amount of heat entering your home. This keeps indoor spaces cooler without overworking your air conditioner. The result is a more comfortable environment and lower cooling bills. Year-round comfort and savings. Window replacement in Melville provides a balance that homeowners can appreciate year-round. Instead of adjusting constantly to drafts in winter or hotspots in summer, you'll enjoy a consistent indoor climate. Over time, the savings on energy bills often offset the cost of replacement, making this upgrade both a comfort and financial investment. Additional advantages of replacement windows. While energy savings are often the top priority, homeowners benefit from more than just reduced bills. Noise reduction. Modern windows block out outside noise, creating a more peaceful indoor environment. Increased home value. Energy-efficient windows are attractive to buyers, adding value when it's time to sell. UV protection. Low E coatings protect your furniture, flooring, and decor from sun fading. Low maintenance. Newer frames and glass designs are easier to clean and built to last, reducing upkeep. Choosing the right windows for Melville homes. Not every window is created equal, so it's important to choose the right type for your needs. Double pane or triple pane windows are excellent for maximizing insulation. Materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or wood-clad frames offer durability while helping improve efficiency. Local professionals can assess your home and recommend the best options based on your layout, style, and budget. Long-term return on investment. Think of window replacement as a long-term strategy rather than a one-time expense. Energy-efficient windows reduce monthly costs and protect your HVAC system from unnecessary wear and tear. Over the years, these savings add up, while the added comfort and value to your home are immediate. Final thoughts. Window replacement in Melville is more than just a home improvement. It's a smart energy-saving solution that benefits you in every season. By investing in modern, high-performance windows, you'll enjoy lower utility bills, greater comfort, and a home that's prepared for whatever the weather brings.